Hello everyone, myself Ankit Chauhan, physics faculty, welcome you in अपना government job. Let's start now solving objective questions related with the topic that is units and measurement what we studied. Okay, so let's go ahead. What we are going to do, we are going to solve few objective questions. We'll start with the basic one. Um, because this chapter in from this chapter limited questions were asked from limited questions were asked in previous exam, so we have done some addition. We'll start with the basic one, then we'll go on increasing the level. Okay, so let's begin. These are objective type questions that we are going to discuss. If u1 and u2 are the units of physical quantities and n1 and 2 are its numerical value, then the formula is the formula is these are the MCQ. Let's see. We had seen n1 u1 equal to n2 u. So if I take this n2 downside, the answer is n1 n2 is equal to u1 by u. Okay, so answer is 4. Let's move ahead. In MK system, the unit of pressure is, okay students, pressure is equal to force upon area. Force upon area. Force is in Newton, area is in meter square, but Newton per meter square. This is also called Pascal. Okay, standard unit is Pascal or Newton per meter square of pressure. Apart from that, there are several units too. Example, 1 torr, that is 133 Pascal. 1 bar, it is equal to 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. 1 atm atmospheric pressure unit or atm pressure, atmospheric pressure, it is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5, nearly 1 bar. Okay, apart from that, there is one more unit called 1 atm pressure is equal to 76 centimeter of Hg. Hg means mercury. If mercury column is taken of height 76, the pressure exerted by 76 centimeter of mercury is equal to the pressure exerted by atm, atmospheric pressure. Means atmosphere on surface of. Okay, so move ahead. Let's see the options. Time per centimeter square. Atmosphere, no. Atmospheric pressure is a unit. Pascal or centimeter of Hg. So in MKS, it should be meter kilogram second. So answer is Pascal. Which of the following is not the unit of time? Microsecond, leap year, light year, lunar. Light year is the unit of length in lunar. Newton per kg is a unit of. So this is force and this is mass. If I'll say F is equal to ma, that is the Newton's law. So acceleration will be given by force upon mass. Force is in Newton and mass is in kg. So you can say it is the unit is basically acceleration. Newton per kg is a unit of acceleration. Okay. Pascal is a SI unit of pressure. Okay, just now we had seen. Okay, sorry. I had not seen options. Let's see. Modulus of elasticity. What does it mean? Let's see. Modulus of elasticity is defined as ratio of stress and strain. Stress is force per unit area and strain is change in dimension upon original dimension. Strain is a unitless quantity. Okay, so answer is, if it is unitless, there is only unit of force upon area, that is Pascal. So here K is called modulus of elasticity, that you will study in Hooke's law. Okay, which are the following is unit of distance? Okay, unit of distance, parsec, light year, nautical mile, all of the above. Parsec is a unit of distance. Yes, we had seen today. Light year, nautical mile is again distance of unit. So answer is all of them. Unit used to measure nuclear diameter. So nuclear diameter, can you see nuclear diameter? Nucleus. What is the nucleus? Nucleus is a part of atom inside. It is very, very small. So we can measure it either in angstrom or Fermi, because angstrom is 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter and Fermi is 10 raised to the power minus 50. Okay, this is the size of nearly one proton or one proton or one neutron. This is what the size of nucleus. Okay, diameter. This is size of atom. Sorry, not nucleus. Angstrom basically used in measurement of size of atom. Fermi is used in measurement of nucleus. Candela is as a unit of intensity of light, that is luminous intensity. Kg meter per second is unit of. Okay, so kg meter per second. Kg means mass and meter per second means velocity. Mass into velocity is called momentum. We'll study linear momentum. Kilowatt hour is a unit of. Kilowatt hour is a unit of energy. Okay, in at our home, whatever electricity is coming, that is measured in the energy in terms of electricity, that is electrical energy, is measured in 1 kilowatt hour, that is called 1 unit, of which we are giving money to the electric department of defense. Okay, so this much is sufficient today. We'll go ahead for the next video, then we'll solve few more MCQs. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.